Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is a very quick tutorial. We're going to jump right in. This is my client Julia, been with me for about 2 years now, and all she does is extensions. This is her natural virgin color. She's naturally around her level 5. It gets to level 6 in the mids and ends from natural sunlight. But today we're going to be doing something different for her. This was all literally last minute. I wasn't intending on making a video. We whipped the camera out. I always had an issue with showing beaded wefts on my channel because I have been certified by 2 different brands. And you know, a lot of them teach classes. You're not allowed to really show their technique and their stitches and all that. But now I've come up with my own kind of stitching pattern and I'm getting more and more confident with it. But every time I did put out a video, it kind of didn't do so well. So I figured you guys didn't really want me to put that out. You guys love me more for the blondes and the color. But I'm going to throw this out there and just see how you guys like it. We're going in. We did 2 rows on her. I did the top row. It's already done. And now we're doing the bottom row. And after that, we're going to go in and we're actually going to darken her hair everywhere. The extensions and her natural color. She's never colored her hair once in her 25 years, 26 years. So it's going to be really, really fun. And I can't wait for you guys to see the final results. Also, this hair is 1.5 years old and it's still in great condition. Really thick still at the ends, very healthy, starting to get a little bit more tangly, but she does take really good care of her stuff and the investment goes a long way for her. I've had people with extensions go 6 months before it loses about half the length. I've had people go 18 to 20 months with hair, tape-ins included. As long as they're taking care of it, it can last a very long time and get your money's worth. As you can see, the extensions faded tremendously. They do give us a little bit of dimension throughout her hair, but now it's finally time for the big change for her. I'm going in with Redken Shades EQ 4N, 5N, 4NA, and all of them are a third equally. So it's going to be a third of 5N, a third of 4N, a third of 4NA, which ultimately makes her closer to a level 4.5. She naturally is around a 5.5 with her ends about a 6, 6.5. So this is going to be a big change for her, even though it's not too drastic for a hairdresser. You will see how beautiful it is at the end. It really brings out her skin tone, her eyes. We loved it. But I'm going in with Shades EQ. I did mix 10 volume and we're going to let it process for a total of 35 minutes. She processed for 35 minutes. We then went in with Kevin Murphy Hydrate shampoo and then finished it off with the rinse. Then we blew her out, which always takes forever with extensions. If you're a girl with extensions, you know how long it could take to dry them and all this hair. But now we're going in with my Jay-Z Styles 1-inch curling iron. And we're going to go in and just give her some beach waves. Give her some nice texture spray. Give her some hairspray. Finish her off with some oil and taffy. And we will show you guys the final results. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial here today on extensions. Let me know down in the comments below video ideas, and also let me know, do you want to see more extensions? I'm really curious to see if you guys want to see more of that, and leave other video ideas down yonder in the comments. I want to be posting a little bit more, maybe twice a week, and I want to get back to whipping video after video after video out, but I want to make sure I'm putting out content you guys actually want to see. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now. Guys, so look how beautiful. She has 2 rows in. We toned her down a little bit. She never dyed her hair before, but look at that shine. Look at that. Beautiful chocolate brown, nice cool toned. We did 4N, 5N, equal parts, and I added a third of it, all equal parts, was the 4NA. And so it's mostly a 4, but she was like a 5.5 naturally, and the extensions were like a 7 almost. But they still have a little bit of dimension in there. But look how beautiful and cool it is. And it's shocking to her, but she'll get used to it. And I think it really looks good with her skin tone. So yeah, we love it. She loves it. The tracks are in there, nice and tight, so nobody can see them. You guys, I am tired. Like, I wasn't even gonna do this video. This is a last minute thing, but like,
this color was a last minute.
It was literally all last minute. I love her. This is my good friend Julia. And let me know what you guys think down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you. I love you. Like, look in the mirror. Look how beautiful this looks on her. Oh my God, you guys.
Oh my God.
Gorgeous. Love you guys so much. As always, so long for now.